argue over where and when the cymbal hits should be. Well, Hannah takes the stairs and I usually take the elevator. Every now and then she offers me a lemon now and later. Please don't play the matchmaker, please don't be a player hater. If you dig her recent work, then you should go congratulate her. And if you're partial to the night sky, if you're vaguely attracted to rooftops, Hannah takes the stairs 'cause she can't tell that it's a winding spiral case. Is she right side up or upside down? So Hannah, let your roots grow, let your blue veins show. If I need to take a breath, then you can take a trumpet solo. I work on the limbs if you work on the torso, and if it gets to be too much, then you could lend a helping hand. And if you're partial to the night sky,
It seems like years since it's been